Voting.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Tony. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes, I
Yeah.
can hear you.
All right. So how are you tonight?
I'm fine. And how are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine too. All right. So Tony, what's the weather now in Vietnam?
Mm, it's sunny.
It's sunny. Wow, that's great. It's sunny day. So since today is Saturday, Tony, what did you do today? What did you do? Can you share to teacher? What are the
Mm,
things you did?
I go to school.
Went? Yeah.
Um, I went home.
Mhm.
Mm, I play. I eat my dinner, and I study online.
All right, you studied all night. Okay, that's great to hear. So today was a busy day because you went to school today. So even though it's Saturday, still there is school in Vietnam during Saturday, right? Right? There's school every Saturday.
Yes.
Okay, so here. So Tony, our lesson last time was all about Unit 31, why Sally's crying. So here, there was one activity that we did not finish yet. And this one is letter E. You're going to read about Mr. and Mrs. Cook's naughty daughter, Lily, and draw lines. So as you can see, Tony, here in the left side, you can see here all questions, okay? What you are going to do, Tony, is to draw lines to the answer of these questions, okay? On the right side. For example, what did Lily do this morning? The answer is she went to the beach, okay? So, Tony, please try to read and understand the um, questions and draw lines to which one there is the answer, okay? So Tony, I'll give you time to do it and good luck.
Um, um, where is Okay.
Okay, Tony, could you please read what are the given questions and tell me the
What did
answer?
Lily do this morning? Who did she go to the beach with? Oh, no. What did Lily do this morning? She went to the beach. Who did she go to the beach with? Her two new classmates. When did she came home? She came home for lunch. Where is she now? She having a hot shower. Why is she having a hot shower? Because she got very cold. So how did she get cold? She jumped off a rock into the cold water with all her clothes on. She's a naughty daughter sometimes. I know.
Okay, number one, look at here. Let's check now your answer. Who did she go to the beach with? The answer is very good. Her two new classmates, correct, Tony? Next, when did she come home? The answer is she came home from lunch, for lunch, correct. Next, where is she now? The answer is she's having a hot shower, correct? Next, why is she having a hot shower? Because she's got very cold. Very good. Next, how did she get cold? She jumped off a rock into the cold, correct, water with all her clothes on. And last question, Tony. She's a naughty daughter sometimes. I know. Very good, Tony. Look at this one. This one is the last part of Unit 31. And great because you were able to get all the correct answers in this activity. Now, Tony, let's have Unit 32. And Tony, please read what is Unit 32 all about. It,
Mary
Mary,
goes shopping.
okay, so that's unit 32. Mary goes shopping. Now here, Tony, let's have here a grammar activity. If we say countable nouns, Tony, these are singular or plural nouns that can be counted. Example, I will say apple. Can you count the apple one by one? Can you count
What?
it? Apple, the apple fruit.
Yes.
Can we count it? Yes. So if the thing can be counted one by one, then we call it countable nouns. But Tony, if the thing cannot be counted one by one, it means it is part of the uncountable. For example, milk. Can you count the milk inside the
Yes.
glass? Can you count the milk
Yes.
inside the glass? Yes. Liquid thing cannot be counted one
No.
by one. No.
No.
Water, cheese, bread, and money. Okay? So you cannot say, I have here 2 milk. Okay? So Tony, so again, we have countable nouns. These are the number of nouns or things that can be counted. If we say uncountable, meaning we cannot count it by one. But then, Tony, you know what is singular? Singular, only one. Plural, that's many. Now, Tony, I have here the word biscuit, bottles, bread, can, cheese, children, coffee, feet, knife, meat, mice, posters, sandwiches, table, tea, and yogurt. You're going to write whether it is countable or uncountable. But Tony, in the countable nouns, you write it first here. Is it singular or it's plural? Okay? Singular means only one. Plural means many. Understand, Tony? Do you understand what to do?
Mm,
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, please write.
Teacher,
Yes, Tony?
what is can?
Can. With me. I will show you a can. A picture of a can. Okay, for a while.
I don't know can is what.
Yeah, don't worry. This one, Tony, is a can. With me. It is where you can put the soda. You see it or no? Wait. I will translate it to Vietnamese. Okay, just go to the another number. It's coffee. This one, Tony. Wait. It's C-O-P-H-E. Like this, Tony. Coffee? How do you say that one? Coffee. Listen. Coffee. Can you hear it?
It's too small.
It's coffee. 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 Can in Vietnamese is coffee.
Có thể.
Yeah. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, wait me. Tony, you enter again to the Zoom class, Tony, so you'll have more time in writing. Okay, can you enter again so you will have more minutes to write? All right.